Hi, this is Jamie. I've got this amazing 10K large battery capacity Homtom HT70 smartphone here with me. If you like it, subscribe to our channel, like and leave a comment under this video and get a chance to win a free phone. A winner will be announced on April the 8th. Now let's find out more about this phone.
Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you one of the most spectacular smartphones I had in a very long time. It's the Homtom HT70. I'm going to show you, or rather explain to you exactly what makes it so special. It's it's the battery. The Homtom HT70, look at that, it's a beauty as well. It packs a 10,000 milliamps battery inside. Now, if you don't really know what 10,000 milliamps are or how it compares to other smartphones, let me just tell you, most smartphones on the market today have somewhere between 2,500 and 3,500 milliamps. The average is probably around 3,000 milliamps. So this one has 10K, like 10,000. So that means you can definitely, and I do mean definitely, use the phone for a full day without having to charging, and probably for even 2 or 3 days or more depending on how you use it. So that's the main reason it's the Homtom HT70 10,000K battery. But let's see what's inside the box as well, because this one actually comes packed with some nice accessories. So here's the main box, and we can see immediately there's a protective case. Here there's also an instruction manual. There's there's a display, there's a screen protector, so that's cool. There's a metal pick here for the SIM card tray, so that's also neat. This is just some protective foam, and as I mentioned, a protective case. Let's see how it looks. It's always nice when brands include this sort of bonus, because sometimes it's not that easy to find one where we live. So here you go. It looks good. It's transparent, so it won't take away much from the aesthetics of the device. So pretty cool. A nice bonus. Let me remove it now so we can continue this without it. We're here. For the rest of the box, we have the charging brick right here, a USB Type-C cable, fast charging. The HT70 supports fast charging, so that's nice. And here, very neatly packed, there's 2 other cables. Let me put this aside. So we have the adapter for the 3.5mm jack right here, because the Homtom HT70 does not have 3.5 port for your headphones, so you have to use this adapter, which is fine. It's very easy to use. You just plug it in. And then another cable here. It's a Type-C USB on one side and a USB out on the other side. So again, most brands don't include all this, so it's nice. So for the specs of the Homtom HT70, we have a very beautiful display, a 6-inch HD display with a 18:9 aspect ratio. So even though this is a smartphone with a very big battery, it actually feels very easy to use because of its form factor, and it's pretty thin actually, considering what it packs inside. Also, it's running Android 7. It's not stock, but it's a very clean version and functional version of Android 7, customized by Homtom. 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage that you can expand with some extra up to 128 if you use a micro SD card right here. By the way, dual SIM, you can use 2 SIM cards for 2 different providers, so that's always cool. Also, MediaTek octa-core CPU inside, clocking in at 1.5 GHz for each core of its CPU. And as I mentioned, the Type-C right here for fast charging, USB. And in the back, we have a very good dual camera with 16 megapixels plus 5 megapixels, a dual flash LED light right there, the fingerprint scanner for unlocking, and in the front, a 5 megapixel camera for selfies. And that's pretty much it. But what you have to take away here, it's really the battery, 10,000 milliamps. It's just amazing. And for this price, it's pretty much unbeatable right now in the market. So check the links below for all the details, all the specs, all the pricing, and really just look at it. I mean, it looks amazing, the design. It's a beautiful smartphone. It looks very expensive. It's very sophisticated. It's cool, and it's very unique, and that's very important. So like and subscribe. We'll have more in the future. Thank you very much.